Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable network discovery on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, search for Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Up in the top right where it says View By, click the drop down and select large icons. And then you want to select the Network and Sharing Center icon here. And now over here on the left side where it says Change Advanced Sharing Settings, go ahead and select that. And where it says Turn on Network Discovery, go ahead and select that option and then select Save Changes. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.